I was traveling in Asia and Europe for months and I only brought a 7-kilo backpack with me. Wanna know how to travel light and how to pack a carry-on backpack? I'll tell you all the tips and tricks, all the things that I bring when I travel, and how I fit them all into my 7-kilo backpack. Bonjour! This is Aaron from Aaron Go Traveling. Today, I'm gonna tell you how I travel like with just a carry-on backpack. This video aims to pack everything into a backpack that's under 7 kilo, as that is the weight limit for carry-on baggage for most of the budget airlines anyways. I cannot stress this enough. If you're traveling with just a small backpack, it's hard to pull out something from your backpack without making a mess. This is where packing cubes come into play. Packing cubes allow you to organize in a very systematic way. I normally have 3 packing cubes, one for undies and socks, one for my tops, and another one for my shorts and pants. When you're traveling and when you're visiting a few cities, packing cubes make repacking so much easier because you don't have to fold your clothes all over again. Just take what you need and leave the rest in the packing cube. When your dirty laundry accumulates, the annoying thing is, it gets harder to repack. So I normally have 3 plastic bags in my packing cubes. I know it's not very environmentally friendly. I do reuse all these 3 plastic bags throughout my trip. If you want to use biodegradable bags, that's okay as well. Dirty laundry will be put into these plastic bags before they are put into the packing cubes, so they won't be in contact with the clean clothes. If you're thinking about traveling for a long time, packing for winter is probably the hardest of all seasons. I reckon you guys know how to pack light for other seasons. For example, summer is really easy to pack light. Because I was traveling for months in Asia and Europe, I was traveling in different kind of weather, in different kinds of seasons, including autumn, winter, spring, and a little bit of summer. Let's assume that we're packing winter clothes into this 7-kilo backpack. First up, I will show you all the clothes that I'll need. As a general rule, I pack enough clothes for 7 to 8 days, and I do laundry every week. So I have my base layer, 5 shirts or t-shirts. I have 2 lightweight but nice looking shirts so I can go out for a night and look decent. I have a turtleneck, I have a pair of Bermuda shorts, I have a pair of decent but lightweight pants, I have a pair of night pants to sleep, and I bring 7 pair of undies and 7 pair of socks. A heavy jacket or a light jacket. Normally, I only bring 1 jacket with me as I minimize the weight of my backpack. If the destination that you're going to is not too cold, you could layer it up. This combination makes your clothes much more versatile, as you could just take the layer off if you're feeling too hot and put the layer on if you're feeling too cold. However, if you're traveling to a destination in deep winter, I still highly recommend you to bring a heavy-duty winter jacket. The good thing about bringing a heavy-duty winter jacket is that they normally have enormous pockets. For example, the pockets of my winter jackets can fit my Galaxy Tab, my camera, my many things. Like if I want to fit a small book, I could. Those weights will be taken out of the 7 kilos because you are technically wearing them in your jacket. Super versatile, could be a blanket, if the situation calls, could be a beach towel or picnic rug. A compact towel will save so much weight and space. Definitely a very quick way to get some weights out of your backpack. Get a multi-port so you can connect to multiple USBs at the same time. That saves a little bit of weight because that means that you don't have to bring the head of the charger. I have a soap holder. I had a soap holder, but sad news, I really couldn't find it. I wanted to show you for the purpose of the video. I normally use a soap when I'm traveling. Goes through security easily. You don't have to repack your conditioner or your shampoo or everything else into small containers. Also, there are many kinds of soap in the market as well. The one that I use is suitable for both hair and body. Makes repacking easier as well. And the soap, at most, 100 grams. I always bring an eye mask. I bring my earbuds too. I bring my toothbrush and a small toothpaste. Now, I just have to fit them all into my bag. I'm pretty sure you know how the rolling methods work, so I'm just gonna roll all of them, put them into my packing cubes like a Tetris, and then put it into my bag. So here it is. This is how I travel for months across Asia and Europe with a backpack that's under 7 kilos. As this is the first episode of a series that I'm making where I share all my travel tips and hacks, click that subscribe button. Stay tuned for the next video where I share how to plan the perfect itinerary for any trip. That's it for today, guys. I post a new video every Thursday on food, traveling, and languages. I will see you next Thursday. Ciao, ciao.